On December 20th, 2016, Aerosecure Flight 157 was a scheduled cargo 727 flight from German Olano Airport in Colombia to El Dorado International Airport in Bogota, Colombia. The plane carrying 6 people on board crashed on takeoff from German Olano Airport in Colombia. 5 of them had been killed. Only 1 person survived. The cause of this accident is engine failure on takeoff due to loss of control, leading to runway overrun, aircraft overload. Overloads have happened before. After being 263 kilograms overweight, in 2003, an Air Midwest flight crashed into a hangar. 21 people died.